What's up, guys? It's your boy DK, and I have a new look. You guys have been wondering where is Pringle, and Pringle is right here. Anyways, we're gonna be doing zero gravity, which is sewers, because now nobody doesn't know how to do it. Unlike Toasty, I watch him. He's cool.
Who the fuck is Toasty?
Toasty VR. He makes like
Anyways, you know, we're not monkeys anymore, we're polar bears. Cause
bro, why is your eyes tweaking, bro? Alright, anyways, let's do like a cool Why is our eyes tweaking? Alright, anyways, what you wanna do is get a UFO or grapple. Then
you don't have to get a UFO though.
yeah, you don't have to get a UFO or anything like that. You can just go. But I do suggest a UFO because a UFO disables your weight and the hook shot.
And grapplers, they don't really disable your weight actually.
I know, they don't really disable your weight, but at least you can do some work.
I like grapplers, but UFOs are just better though. Like,
I haven't been posting for a long time, guys. I'm sorry.
yeah, but you haven't posted for like 3 fucking weeks. You haven't been posting for 3 weeks, bruh. And you didn't even include me in the bathrooms. So bad.
Okay, bro. Cause it was we did. I'm stuttering so. Cause you didn't want to. Oh my.
Bingo. I mean, he said. I accidentally called you Pringle. But how did you get stuck? Yo, can you play that music? Can you play that music that goes in?
Wait, what? Oh,
The music that goes in.
I don't want to.
Yeah, what you did in your edit on TikTok.
Wait, what do you want me to show that, bro? That's cringe.
No, I don't want you to show them.
I
want
post
you to play the
VR
audio.
stuff, not IRL stuff.
No, I want you to do the music.
Alright, let's go. I mean, low-key, if you're scared of the nun or like the mimic or like the bomb, then good luck. Cause the reason why we go fast in speedrun mode, cause we don't get scared. And help me out pretty much. And where is the suitcase?
I don't fucking know.
Oh. Where is the suitcase? Bro, where is the suitcase? Alright, anyways, I will be doing a giveaway. 10 RPGs maybe, or a couple RPGs in a backpack.
But you see where the fucking shoe
And if you comment your what?
You see the suitcase? Where is the suitcase?
I don't know. Anyways, I will be doing a giveaway filled with RPGs. Now, if you just comment on this video, then I'll choose. Then I'll choose. If it's one person, I don't care. He's the one. And
Are you giving it? But you're getting me a fucking giveaway.
yeah.
10 RPGs. That's a 100 fucking bank account in this game, bro.
What?
How much do RPGs cost? Like 10K?
Yeah. RPG is 10K.
And you're giving out 10? That's 100K.
So
Wait, no, it's not. But ain't no one gonna comment on this video. If someone does, like, it's a miracle.
He was a hater.
I'm not a hater. It's just
That's why I moved. That's why I put just play DK and not X.
Yeah, because you blocked me for a week.
DKX Pringle.
Yeah, because you blocked me for a week.
Yeah,
You
see, he's a
forgot about
hater.
me.
Look at him talking trash.
I'm not a hater, but
What a hater.
ain't no one gonna comment on this video.
See, I should have got payback.
Okay, when are we gonna go?
Bro, he's toying. Here, you want to distract it?
What? No, you don't gonna distract it?
Yeah, it's the only thing. Bro.
Okay, you wanna go? Let's go. I'm going.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm literally a culture man.
You are not a W collector, cuz.
Yeah, I see.
But I'm not a hater,
Now,
man.
now I'm not gonna make the video no more, man.
Yeah!
I'm not making the video.
No!
Nah, bro, cause you're
I'm not a hater. I'm just supporting the channel. Oh my gosh, we got
and
so
that
much
will
money.
be 6K. Supposed to be.
Actually, it's 7K.
Ready?
So, I want to say Merry Christmas, and the quote of the day is, Jesus is real.
Let's dance.
Oh my god,
UFO! Yo!
No. You want it?
I want it! I want it! Oh, a free UFO!
Thank you, nerd. Ah!
I will not play this game! Give me that my UFO right now! I'm gonna report you to the Discord. I'm reporting you to the Discord.
Chat,
I'm
bro's
reporting you
threatening
to the
me.
Discord. I'm gonna tell Num Num.
Num Num? Who's Num Num?
Nah. I got you thinking about who Num Num is. Give me it! Give me it now!
Oh! Yeah! What the heck? Yo! Hell, bro. Nope. Nope.
No!
Yes! Yes! Thanks, nerd! Thanks, nerd. Nerd. Bro, where did it go? Wait, where did... Oh, it's right there.
Give me it! Give me it!
Oh, you
Fuck,
missed.
how? 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 I hate you!
I hate
I
it.
freaking hate-
I hate it. I hate it. Yeah, I did. What's it out?
But if you put that in a video, I'm off. What?
Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.